It's surely revolting outside today in Kelowna, however believe us it could be a whole lot more regrettable. The nation over, Newfoundlanders are as yet attempting to uncover taking after a monstrous, record-breaking spring snowstorm. As per Environment Canada, Gander International Airport has recorded 134 centimeters of snow in the previous week. The previous week's snowfall in Newfoundland finished in a record-breaking 230 centimeters of snow on the ground, which is twofold the past record for April 5 in the territory that was already set at 114 centimeters in 2001. Investigate these photographs of snowdrifts taller than people and view yourself as fortunate it's just raining out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.